So we're trying to fix Noel's phone. Isn't that right, Noel? Okay, stop showing the middle finger. So we're just... Ah! You're really gonna break it. Apparently your SIM card stuck itself. So, as you can see, it's in the searching. There is no service. So this is how you fix a phone. Careful. You broke the hole. You need something smaller than this. Oh, I know. Hold this. That is not going to help. That's not... No, I need something... Laugh. So, we are in a car. In a car. You know what a car is? The British way to say... It's a car. Let's speak British today. Noah's attempts to fix his phone. Part 1. Screw this. I don't think I want anything else. And this was presented to you by the Richard O'V Award. I think I lost mine already. It says the NHS Richard O'V Awards. It's fun seeing a local phone. Isn't it true, my dear audience? The audience is not dear, the audience is ruling. It's made up of ruling. Look at some Tumblr and see what they say about you. They're like, I don't want to be on Tumblr! You're not putting this on Tumblr. Anyone who listens to Alfonso, so after smashing the phone, we finally fixed the phone! Wasn't that cool? I fixed the phone, you didn't do anything. I did lots of things. La 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 la. Shut up. Oh! I turned that up. What if you break the window? Like, no, like, throws a pen to the window. I would never do that. Like, in dire anger, argument. Yeah, but what if no one misses? Like, whoosh! This is presented to you by the Richard O'V Awards, where all your dreams can come true. What? What? Sounds like a what? Yeah. So if I say,